those. I have too many of those. How about
Byron, I love, but he doesn't
time to
speak
go
hard
back.
as much as he does speak
Oh,
hard.
my
Grandma! My friends are
and he's got a
here!
girlfriend. He's with,
Go to bed, Suzanne!
We're
gonna play Monopoly! Suzanne, I don't want to hear another word!
We're gonna play Monopoly, and you can just go...
Corey's bubbly, I like him, he's fun. He's a little more feminine.
How about
I'll be
Daniel?
very honest with you.
No one knows Daniel. He's in my room.
You're wearing your ugly glasses. You look like a retard.
Oh, really?
Contacts from my eyes. You're so stupid.
Oh, Grandma!
Why can't you just be beautiful like me? Grandma!
Oh, Nicole, you know, it's me. And I thought Nicole was really cute too. So you know what I mean? Like I was just like really nervous.
Get out of me!
And when she
Get out of me,
I was like, thanks. I don't